Find the exact value of the real number y given y equals arc sine 1. Now remember, this means sine inverse of 1. That's all that means. So sine inverse, we should be looking at the back of our hand. Sine is y over h. If we're going to use the back of our hand, we got to think about h is always the square root of 4. With that being the case, if that needs to be the square root of 4, and whatever the y is when it's divided equals 1, what needs to be the y? Answer, square root of 4. So I don't know why I put y there. I'm sorry. This needs to be a 4 as well. So I'm going to go to the back of my hand. Y's are on top, so I need to count 4 fingers. I count pinky, ring, middle, pointer. I bend my next one, which is my thumb. So I should have 4 fingers above the bend. It's my thumb. Flip it over, and I ask myself, what's that thumb location resemble of? It's the pi over 2. That's my pi over 2. I want it to be positive. Let's see. And pi over 2 should be the answer, because if it's positive, it should always be that first quadrant value. Although this, I know, is on the line between quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. Let's think about this. Sine is y, and so if the y value is 1, we're saying pi over 2 is our answer here, and this is a y value of 1. The other possible answer would be down here, but here's the problem with down there. You're hearing me say it, at 3 pi over 2. The problem is that this is negative 1, whereas this is a height of 1, this would be a height of negative 1. So the answer has to be that value.